In this video, we will learn how managers can use the Generate with AI feature for overall comments while evaluating team members in uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the side navigation panel and click on the My Performance menu. From the list of submenus, select Rate My Team. Locate the employee you want to evaluate and click on the Rate Now button under the Action column. This will open the detailed evaluation interface where you can review the employee's KRAs, competencies, previous remarks, and performance details. Start by entering ratings for the employee based on the assigned KRAs and competencies. Make sure the ratings and remarks are accurate, as these inputs will directly influence the AI-generated comments. Once the ratings are completed, scroll down to the Overall Comments section and click on the Generate with AI button. The system will analyze the ratings and inputs provided and automatically generate a professional and structured summary of the employee's performance. You can review and refine the generated comments before submitting the evaluation. If needed, you can also use the Customize option to adjust the prompt and regenerate the comments to better match your evaluation style or tone. That's it. You now know how to use the Generate with AI feature for overall comments and team ratings in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.